Hey, this is Craig here with Little Zippy, and we're here to unbox the Propur Traveler water purification system. So let's go ahead and get started. I already cut all the seals to save us a little time, so let's dig in. So I noticed this is packaged really well, lots of nice bubble wrap. Then here's the actual system itself. And we also get, this is the filter, and we get some other little accessories. We'll check those out in a second. So when I saw this, I thought, oh, how did they package that so small? Because I was expecting it to be bigger, but it's built in such a way that each unit goes inside the other. So there you go. Get that part and this part. And there's the part that indicates which one you got. This is the Traveler. I like the size and everything of this. Alright, so let's put it together now and see how easy this is. So this has the Propur logo, so obviously it goes this direction. I'm guessing this fits on here because I see that this one has a hole for the spout. So I believe that just sits right there. And this would be the lid on top, but let's find out where the filter goes. So we've got a couple little washer and a little nut of some sort. The filter itself. It's a little acorn. Set that there. We'll open the sponge. Keep it clean. This is the stainless steel spigot, and I have no idea what this is. We'll find out. The first thing in the instructions is you want to use the soft side of the sponge to wash all the stainless steel parts. So I assume that's the spigot and all these units in the lid. So we're going to wash those. It says to wash them by hand. Make sure your hands are nice and clean, and only use the soft part of the sponge. So we're going to do that real quick. We'll be right back. Okay, once you wash all the stainless steel parts, then you're going to flip the sponge over and use the rough side to wash your filter. You're going to hold it by the bottom like a popsicle, and you're going to scrub with the rough side the entire surface of the filter. Okay, so now we have a nice clean stainless steel parts. So the first thing we're going to do is you get this little handle, it's got the screw in it. So you're going to remove the screw. Next we're going to install the spigot. Okay, so now we're ready to install the metal spigot. What you'll find is two of these stainless steel washers. They're covered with a tape, I assume to keep them nice and shiny. We're gonna put one on the outside, and then you get this plastic washer. That's gonna be a nice tight fit. Get that on there. Okay, and then the same on the inside. You're also going to put the metal on top of the rubber washer, and then you're going to put last this little guy on. So we'll go ahead and put that in, and we're going to put those around on the inside. The plastic first, then the metal. And I'm going to twist that on until it's hand tight. Then I'm going to put this on. Use pliers to get it tight on the inside. What I'm going to do is just take a wrench and hold the nut inside, and then I'm going to just twist this until it's tight. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and put the handle on the lid so you can open it real easy. So first thing you're going to do is take your little screw in the washer, poke them up from the bottom side. You're going to poke that through. then I'm going to put that guy right there and tighten that, and then finish the job with the screw. Go ahead with the screwdriver. Go ahead and get it nice and firm. And now we've got the nice lid ready to go. Okay. All right, now the last thing we're going to do is install the filter itself. So the way we're going to do that is first I'm going to grab the filter
and then lick it.
And the washer goes on the top side. So yeah, don't be, it looks like a popsicle, but don't lick it. So we're going to go ahead and put the washer on. Then you're going to drop that down in. It's coming out the bottom there. We're going to go ahead and screw on this little guy here, this little plastic piece. Screw that. So I went ahead and tightened that, and I'm just gonna give it a nice gentle tighten. It says not to over tighten in the instructions, so don't wrench on that too hard. And then there you go, you got your filter in there. You go ahead and set that there. Got your lid, and you're pretty much ready to go. And then they also give you a handy no-slip mat. This is pretty cool. They threw this in, no extra charge. Okay, so then this is your nice little mat. This keeps it from slipping on your countertop. So let's go ahead and set this on our counter, fill it up, and we'll see how the water tastes. Okay, we're gonna give this bad boy a try. We're gonna open it up and go ahead and pour in the water. And this looks like it can hold quite a few of those. I've already put some in. Okay, we went ahead and filled it up. When it's brand new, it's going to take a while for that water to drain in. It's literally going to just drip. And when it's new, it's probably going to take longer than later on when the filter is totally soaked with water. So make sure your spout is in the off position, so that's going side to side. This is the on position. As you can see, no water is even coming out yet, and it's been full for several minutes. So it's going to take a while. So just make sure so you're not going to want to sit and wait, so just make sure that your spigot is closed. And then the instructions say the first 2 to 3 cycles, you want to fill this up 2 to 3 times and throw that water out, which is normal usually when you get a new filter of any kind. The first few filters are going to have some of the stuff from inside the filter, and so you don't want that. So you want to fill it up, probably wait a few hours for it to drain, and then take all the water, dump it out, and do that 3 times. And then after that, you're good to go.